back to my channel. This is Ben with Dog Toy. It's a 22 Turbo R. We've done quite a bit over the last few. If you haven't watched any of my videos, go ahead and watch some of my videos. We have did quite a few different installs of different things. I've got a few things I'm going to tuck up today. I'm going to start on the Inferno heater, but I'm not going to put up the video for probably a couple weeks because I've got to do the whips and the rock lights yet, and I don't want to cover the dash up to complete the install of the Inferno heater until my lights are done. I will go over what we did on my buddy's Pro R for today. I can't believe we're almost to the end of February. It's flying. With our weather we've had, I wish I was out with it, but we made a decision that this is down until all the installs are complete, and then I can ride it the rest of the summer and be happy everything's done and we don't have to take it back apart again. So we'll quick go over a couple things on my buddy's Pro R. Hopefully he don't mind. Here we are with my buddy's Pro R. We've got one light in front of the radiator. I just drilled a couple holes and brought it up so it kind of illuminates the whole front. We got one under each front wheel. I'll go into a little more detail with this when I do mine, but we just made some small aluminum brackets and bolted them on up under here. Come around to the back. I've got two mounted to the rear of the machine, one on the front of the wheel. Kind of tucked it up, but it can still shine past the air ducts. Come out pretty well. I got one up underneath the tail light. I kind of tipped it forward. I used the tube mount one and took the sander to it and ground one of the edges off it so it made it into a wedge. That way it kind of shined more at the motor. I come around to the back. We mounted one above the muffler. It has a little bit of space. Hopefully it doesn't cook itself. I think it'll be all right. I can let you know how that turns out in a later video. It illuminates it pretty well. We thought maybe we'd have to use 3, but it looks like I got away with 2. Now I got told not to put smiley faces on his whips. But who doesn't like smiley faces? I think they look good on this car. I'll probably get yelled at. We still got a little bit ways to go on this one. In the middle of the heater install. Can't finish it up until we're done with the wiring. His wiring's just about done. I got a little bit more to do on it for him. But he's a little bit further along than I am. But I'll update the videos as I finish more stuff on mine. I'm really not too far from getting the rest of mine done either, so it's kind of nice seeing these get done.